Hello? Doctor? Yes, my stomach is making grr sounds. Please, fix the sound. No? Hello? Huh. Nova, I think I will die of a heart attack from the stress of this phone call before I even see a doctor.
Alex, your stomach isn't a broken radio. You don't ask the doctor to fix the sound.
But Nova, it's so scary. I forget all my English as soon as the receptionist says hello.
You are not alone, Alex. Many people feel that way. That's why in today's 10-minute masterclass on NobleMindcast, we are going to learn how to book a doctor's appointment like a pro.
We have funny role plays, the right phrases to use, and a secret bonus tip at the end to boost your confidence.
So, if you're ready to stop being afraid of the phone, let's dive in.
Okay, Nova. I'm calling the clinic right now. What is the very first thing I should say?
Don't say, I am broken. Say, I'd like to schedule an appointment to see the doctor, please.
I'd like to schedule an appointment. And that sounds very polite. What if they ask who is calling?
Then you say, this is Alex calling.
Let's let our friends practice this. Everyone, imagine you are calling a doctor. Say it with me. I'd like to schedule an appointment, please.
Now, the receptionist asks, what seems to be the problem? Should I tell her about the time I fell off a tree when I was 5?
No, keep it short. If your head hurts, say, I have a severe headache. If your throat is sore, say, I have a sore throat.
What if I have a fever? Can I say, I am hot like a heater?
No, just say, I have a high fever.
Let's practice some common symptoms. Repeat after us.
I have a cough. I have a stomach ache. I feel dizzy. Then she says, we have an opening at 9 a.m. tomorrow. But Nova, I love my sleep. How do I say no politely?
Don't say, I am sleeping. Say, I'm afraid I'm not available then. Do you have anything in the afternoon?
And if I am in a lot of pain and can't wait?
Then you say, it's quite urgent. Is there any chance the doctor can see me today?
Squeeze me in, right? Like a lemon in a tea?
Exactly. Could you squeeze me in today? It means finding a small gap in the schedule.
Okay, Nova, let's do a role play. You be the scary receptionist, and I will be the caller.
Hello, this is Alex. I'd like to see the doctor. My nose is running away from my face.
Running away? Alex, you mean you have a runny nose?
Oops, right. My nose isn't actually running down the street. I have a runny nose.
Much better. Let's try again. We have an appointment at 2 p.m. Can you come then?
Yes, 2 p.m. is perfect for me. Thank you, Nova. I mean, Mrs. Receptionist. Wait, I forgot to ask about the money. How much cash do I bring?
Use a better phrase, Alex. Ask, what is the consultation fee? Or, do you accept my insurance?
Consultation fee. That sounds like I have a PhD in English.
It just sounds professional.
I feel so much better now. I'm ready to call the doctor for real.
Before you do, here is the bonus tip. Before you pick up the phone, write down your symptoms on a piece of paper. This way, if you get nervous, you can just read from the paper.
That is a lifesaver. No more dancing heads or running noses for me.
I hope so. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to NobleMindcast.
Comment below and tell us, what is the most difficult thing for you to say in English?
Keep practicing, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!
Bye-bye! I'm going to find a doctor who likes my dancing head.